Have you ever wished you could finish a week's worth of research in just a few minutes? What if there was a tool that could do just that? Welcome to the future of research with OpenAI's newest breakthrough, deep research. Imagine having the power to analyze vast amounts of information faster than ever before. Let's dive into how this game-changing tool is transforming the way we gather data. Deep research is not just another tool. It's a super smart helper that uses something called advanced reasoning. This means it can understand and organize a lot of complicated information all by itself. For example, if you have a big project on animals or planets, deep research can quickly find and sort all the important facts you need. Now, let's think about how fast deep research works compared to a person doing research. Normally, if you or I tried to gather lots of information, it would take us days or maybe even weeks to do it thoroughly. We would have to read books, look at different websites, and take notes. But deep research can do all of this in just a few minutes. It's like having a superpower that lets you finish a long race in seconds. This amazing speed is what makes deep research so special. It saves so much time and effort, allowing people to focus on other important tasks. Whether it's for school, work, or just learning something new, deep research helps make the process faster and easier. Isn't that cool? Now, more people can use this smart tool to get their research done quickly and accurately. Guess what? Deep research is now available to everyone using chatgpt on their computers, and it doesn't matter which subscription plan you have. This is really exciting because before, only people who had the Pro plan could use this cool tool. The Pro plan is pretty expensive, costing $200 a month, and it lets those users do up to 100 searches each month. But now, OpenAI has made it easier for more people to use deep research by making it available with the Plus plan too. The Plus plan is a lot cheaper than the Pro plan. It only costs $20 a month. That means for just $20, anyone can start using deep research to do their work faster. This change is a big deal because more people can afford it. And it means more students, teachers, and anyone else who needs to do research can use this powerful tool without spending a lot of money. So whether you're doing a school project, helping your parents find information, or just curious about learning new things, deep research is now something you can use too. It's like having a super fast library right at your fingertips, anytime you need it. Deep research is like a smart detective. It can look at lots of different things to find information. It's not just good with words. It can also understand pictures and PDFs. This means if you need to find out something from a book, a photo, or even a complicated document, deep research can help. And guess what? Soon, it will be able to look at charts and even make its own, which will help show information in a way that's easy to understand, like in graphs. Now, let's talk about how good deep research really is. When it was tested against other similar tools, it did really well. There's a test called the Humanities Last Exam Benchmark, where different smart tools try to answer tough questions. Deep research scored 26.6%, which might not sound like a lot, but it's actually much higher than what other tools scored. This shows it can handle really tricky questions better than many others. This ability makes deep research super useful for people who need to dig deep into topics, like scientists or teachers. It helps them find and understand lots of detailed information quickly, which is why it's becoming a favorite tool for many people who do a lot of research. Deep research is not just for scientists and big thinkers, it's for everyone. Imagine you are a financial analyst or someone who helps make rules for cities or countries, like a policymaker. These jobs need a lot of information to make smart decisions. Deep research can quickly find and sort out important data for them, which saves a lot of time and makes their work easier. For scientists, who always need to be very sure about their facts, deep research checks lots of sources to make sure the information is right. This means they can trust what they find, which is super important when they are doing experiments or writing reports. But it's not all about big jobs. Even everyday people like you and me can use deep research. Let's say you want to buy something like a new phone or a toy and want to make sure it's a good choice. Deep research can quickly look up lots of reviews and details about it, so you know all the pros and cons before you decide. This way, you don't have to spend hours online trying to figure out what to buy. So whether you're making big decisions or just shopping, deep research can help make things a lot easier and faster for everyone. Using deep research in ChatGPT is super easy, and anyone can do it, whether you're a student or a professional. Here's how you get started. 1. Open ChatGPT. First, go to your computer and open up ChatGPT. You need to be on the desktop version to use deep research. 2. Choose the subscription. Make sure you have the Plus plan or any higher plan activated because deep research is available through these plans. 3. Start deep research. Once you're in ChatGPT, look for an option that says Deep Research. It's usually in the Message Composer area. Click on it to tell the AI that you want to do an in-depth search. 4. Give details. Now, type in what you need to know more about. Be as clear and detailed as you can. The better you explain, the better the AI will understand what to search for. Attach files, optional. If your research is based on specific documents or data, you can attach files like spreadsheets or PDFs. This helps the AI give you exactly what you need. 6. Let it work. After you enter your details, just click Send or Search. The AI will take a little time to gather information and put together a well-organized report. 7. Review your results. In a few minutes, you'll get a report with all the information organized and cited. It's quick and saves you from having to dig through tons of data yourself. OpenAI has big dreams for the future of artificial intelligence, AI. One of their goals is to create something called Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI would be a type of AI that can understand and learn things just like humans do. This means it could think about a wide range of topics and solve different kinds of problems all on its own. OpenAI hopes this will help people do even more amazing things in the future, like solving really hard problems in science, medicine, and more. However, building such powerful AI comes with big responsibilities. OpenAI knows that if not handled carefully, AI could be used in the wrong ways. For example, someone might use AI to create false information or trick people. To prevent this, OpenAI is working very hard to make sure their AI is safe and trustworthy. They are doing a lot of tests to see how their AI behaves and making rules to guide how AI should be used. OpenAI also talks to other experts and follows strict guidelines to make sure their AI is used for good. They are very open about what their AI can and can't do, and they keep checking to make sure it's not being misused. OpenAI wants everyone to benefit from AI, like helping doctors diagnose diseases faster or helping students learn better without causing any harm. In the end, OpenAI is committed to making AI that is not only smart, but also safe and helpful for everyone. They keep working on new ways to make sure their AI is used in the right way. So we can all look forward to a future where AI helps us make the world a better place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.